The GK61 is probably the best 60% keyboard that you're going to find on Amazon for its price. This keyboard's price, it's not like the GK12 Mini, which is extremely overpriced, which is around $100. And this keyboard is only around $60, and the RGB settings are insane. Now this is just a wave, but this one, it's like a clock, and you can speed it up using these buttons. Now we're back, and then they've got some animations. Now, the keyboard RGB is really good. I got HyperX keycaps, put in keycaps, so it lets the RGB flow, so when you get normally it won't be this good, but it's still really good for the price, and hitting the backspace arrow. Now there are some shortcuts, like for me, when I want to turn off my computer, instead of doing Control Alt Delete, there's no delete button, so instead I have to do Control Alt FMN, but it's really fine, and I got red switches, and here's the sound test. So that is my review on the GK61.